ChiroSync Data Acquisition Kit. Industrial-grade multimodal tactile sensing data acquisition solution. Real industrial scenarios, natural human operations. Synchronous capture of full-dimensional operational data. Native 5-finger 0.01 newtons ultra-high precision force sensing. No extra gripper needed. Millimeter-level motion tracking. Full modal coverage, visual, tactile, auditory, joint angle, wrist pose, with microsecond-level hardware synchronization. Lightweight, non-intrusive wear, no production impact, high efficiency, low-cost scalable deployment. Natively compatible with industry-standard formats and platforms, with zero extra cost to integrate into existing systems. An egocentric data acquisition product designed for the dexterous operations of human fingers. Its decentralized architecture enables seamless collaboration with skilled craftsmen across industries, building a solid embodied intelligence data foundation.